Hello everybody and welcome once again to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. In today's video we're going to be having the 13,000 subscriber giveaway, but for those of you who are new to the channel, I just want to encourage you to check out all of the great videos and playlists that we have. We've been making videos on YouTube for almost 3 years and we have quite the archive, some of which are becoming really quite popular on the YouTube community and with the gardeners on the YouTube community, so I'm really excited about that and want to thank you all so much. So let's check out our winner. Who could the winner be? The suspense, I'm sure, is killing you guys as I scroll down. The winner is Limitless Success, who says, "Congrats on 13K. Keep up the great work. The sky is the limit." Thank you, Limitless Success. I'll be sending you a message. Congratulations on the Grow Light win. Thank you everybody else so much for watching, and as always, happy gardening.